The present perfect tense is indeed simple and easy if you try to understand and use it the right way. It seems to be confusing to some, though the tense has a very simple structure. However, everything can be learned, so this video on present perfect tense is here to help your learning process. In this video, the meaning, the definitions, structures and usage will be explained along with examples to help you understand better. Hi friends, this is Rajesh Singh and you are watching Ayansh Tutorials. This video is also important for you, so watch this video from beginning to end without a skip. Let's start. Present perfect tense. In Hindi it is known as पूर्ण वर्तमान काल. Definition: the present perfect tense is used to indicate completed activities in the past and is finished at the time of speaking. Example: just she has gone. Principle: the verb of Hindi sentence which ends with चुका है, चुकी है, चुके हैं, आ है, ई है, ए है, etc. is known as present perfect tense. Rules: helping verb has or have is used. Past participle form V3 is used. Structure for assertive sentence: he, she, it singular number plus has oblique V3 plus object. We, you, they plural number plus have plus V3 plus object. Example: I have written a book. She has taken tea. Structure for negative sentence: I, we, you, they plural number plus have plus not plus V3 plus object. He, she, it singular number plus has plus not plus V3 plus object. We have not learnt English. She has not prepared tea. These are examples for the negative sentences. Interrogative sentence: has oblique have plus subject plus V3 plus object. Have you learnt English? Has she gone to Delhi? These are examples for interrogative sentences. Interrogative negative: has oblique have plus subject plus not plus V3 plus object. Haven't you played cricket? Hasn't she cooked meal? These are examples for interrogative negative sentences. Now, WH word, question word. What, where, when, why, which, who, whom, how, plus has oblique have plus subject plus V3 plus object. Where has she gone? Why have you laughed? These are the examples for question words. Usage of the present perfect tense. The present perfect tense can be used to denote an action or event that happened or started in the past and still has its impact or some connection to the subject in the present. To indicate an action that happened in the past and continues to occur in the present. To connect the event of the present to the events that happened in the past. Thus, I have explained everything about present perfect tense, and I am sure now your concept is very clear. However, if you want to ask any questions, you may write in comment sections of this video. See you in next video. Bye.